All right, this is criminal summoning. So this third party right here, this is grounds of federal prison, 625 TKP. The fake sun is over my head, and this is how you're recognizing the crime scene where the entity is looking to appear as though it's something related to their duty, and you're subject to the elements of monitoring. That is the same demon-possessed and corrupt actor Highway Patrol. The demon that is affiliated with LAPD, well-practiced in federal group stalking and monitoring, and there's no sun over in the state of California. It's over me while I'm in Nevada, and there's evidence of sitting light source over my hotel room and over my apartment in Los Angeles. That is, again, the corrupt and demon-infected. It is department-wide. While a light source is over me, you're recognizing the malice with which the government engages in demonic activity. That's light activity and relevant positioning, and it's public corruption while they're stalking and monitoring with the people of the state. That's also federal stalking. Again, license 9JJM821. That's the grounds of federal prison. 625 TKP. That's the grounds of federal prison. They're engaging in state surveillance together. All right. It is. What are you doing? Oh, that's a threat. Oh, that's a threat. She's group stalking. Let me go ahead and get her face. This is P.O.C. This is P.O.C. and that's attempted murder. That's attempted murder. That's P.O.C. While she's group stalking. You're not ignorant about my presence, and they're group stalking with the state. She's going to federal prison. Okay? For also engaging in what is trying to murder someone while group stalking, which is a conspiracy to murder with the state. That's P.O.C. I'm going to get her license plate again. No demon is ignorant about your presence. They're stalking with amplified audible activity, stalking with light activity, group stalking with the state. That's a hostile demon that literally just did that on video. 625 TKB. She's going to federal prison. Okay, choice cleaning solutions. She's going to federal prison. She just did that on video, and I'm going to publish that. And that's the threat that the state poses while they're group stalking with the ordinary demon, who's a murderer, who's a sex offender, who's a psychopath. She's going to federal prison. That's light activity. They're monitoring together. That was a hostility by a bunch of demons who surround. License plate. That's a Quebec license plate. ALT79P. Excuse me, ALT78P. POC. These are hostile demons that engage in trying to make offenses, trying to engage in taking out the target individual. They're going to federal prison for that. And the department, the Nevada police, they're acting as one. Understand what the demons are doing. It's not separate. They're all engaging in that together. That was light activity. The fake sun is over me. The entity engaging in an act of violence while they're hostile based on the fact that they're being documented. 7BCB138, also going to be prosecuted. That was attempted murder. You're using a machine. A vehicle is a serious life-threatening machine, and you're engaging in what is crossing path while you're monitoring. And you're not ignorant about my presence. They're group stalking. Okay, so that was done with malice. I just want to point that out. And she's going to federal prison for that. The entity that's creating light activity, that's the grounds of federal prison. They're all group stalking with Nevada State Police right now. So every license plate you see, everyone that I'm documenting, they're going to federal prison. It's currently 1:34 p.m. under the light source. And that's an assault on my life that Nevada State Police, demons who murder, they do so vicariously through the people. That's the pattern of conduct. It's not an accident. Okay, it's not anonymous, and there's nothing ambiguous about it. Those are demons engaging in that, and they're going to federal prison, the ones who I just documented right now on video. This is the POC, and they're all engaged in federal stalking, and those are the closeted psychopaths and murderers. You are recognizing a murderer not just based on the fact that perhaps you've never blown someone's head off. You're a murderer while you practice that which is designed to deconstruct another, seeking to torture and torment and having hateful thoughts about them in the depths of your heart for no reason. You murder when you slander with your plots and with your language. That's murder. These are murderers that are group stalking, and they're actually murderers in the natural as well, seeking to engage in murder on video while you're a hostile demon. That's a sex offender. That same assault on my life, that's the context. That's what animates the demons who are stalking in helicopters and are part of the Las Vegas Metro Police Department and the Nevada State Police. That was an entity engaging in that. Understand that. This is demonic. So that's what I was just subject to, and I'm going to publish that, and that's relevant to the prosecution of the state of California. All right, this is POC. It's currently 1:36 p.m.